Okay guys, so guess what? Shifter came in, so you already know what I'm about to go do. I'm about to go install this sucker on my Mustang so I can drive this sucker around. So let's get into this video. Okay, we have arrived at our destination at the shop. Mustang is chilling right here, and let's get into this time lapse of installing this shifter. And boom, just like that, we got a shifter installed. I would shift it around, but the car is on a hill right now, so it would roll. So yeah, here's a little fancy cover piece. It serves no purpose, it looks cool, so I have it sitting around the shifter. But yeah, shifter is done and complete, and on to working on the fan shroud.
I get a good view from up here.
So this is the fan shroud. It needs to go here, but that's not gonna allow it to, so we might have to, yeah, we're definitely gonna have to take off the fan. Which is 3 bolts, but should be 4, we're missing one. Here, we got the fan out, and we're putting the fan shroud in, I think. Yeah. We'll just mount her right up here. This radiator has an area so we can drill some holes. Allan is not here right now, guys. He is, going to pick up somebody from, what, Burger King?
I don't know.
Katie? Yeah. Well, sounds good.
We'll figure it out.
Yeah, we'll figure it out.
As long as Allan shows back up with your truck.
Yeah. Yeah, he is driving around my truck. I told
That's scary.
It's an old truck. She can't go that fast.
Old truck? Like you need to pay attention in somebody else's driveway, not that old truck.
Yeah.
Yeah, the gray truck's a little older than Steve.
Yeah. It's like Bud's truck. Guys, I am on lunch break while Allan is drilling these beautiful holes.
Yeah.
For our fan shroud, so that our fan will actually function properly and pull air through the radiator. So yeah.
Yep.
Thank you, Allan. I'm gonna go back over here and finish eating my sandwich.
Okay, you eat that.
See ya.
You eat that sandwich, Justin.
Yup.
Great, Allan's got a wrench in his hand.
How do you zoom in?
Look until you make it.
It's still good.
What are you doing there, Allan?
It clacks like it's supposed to. Certified mechanic.
YouTube certified.
YouTube certified.
Oh, taught by Mr. Ross himself.
Oh boy.
I'm so bad, I know.
It's okay. We can all make fun of him as much as we want. It's not like any of us like him.
We're just showing up here on the law.
Yeah, without him. Because Allan, will you get up here?
Yeah, there's stairs now.
Okay. By the way, none of those are bolted in, so have fun.
Wait, none of these are?
Nope.
Allan did.
Right on.
Are any of those? There you go, bud. Now you're good. There's Allan. Hey, the lights are on now, though. There was Allan.
Allan put the lights on.
Yeah, Allan turned the lights on.
Why do we need lights?
Well, I didn't see where I was drilling.
We got the fan back on, and we drilled the hole for the fan shroud.
You need to see what you're doing.
None of us are as gifted as you, Dad. Sorry.
Close your eyes and go for it.
Have fun.
Oh yeah, always the most fun.
There's our linkage.
I'm a professional supervisor.
Linkage.
Yeah. No, that's not good.
Let me crawl up this bad boy. Bad boy.
You see what you're doing now?
Yep. Oh, there she is.
So what, we gotta take the fan back off again, Justin?
Yep, we do.
Good job.
And then we gotta drill the holes at the bottom. We forgot those.
Nah, who needs those?
Extra practice.
Taking your fan on and off? Oh yes, because we just love taking 5 bolts in and out every dang time.
Yep, exactly. Yeah, this doesn't have one. Dang it.
Good job.
We'll figure it out. We'll get it done. We are undoing the fan. Part 2. Yeah.
Don't drop it.
I won't. I would never.
There you go.
No. Got the fan inside. Fan shroud out.
Again?
Again. Now we just have to
Drill the bottom holes. Yes, sir.
It's a rust storm under here, bro.
That's why we love the 70s.
You guys should be wearing safety glasses, probably.
Done by trained professionals.
Just don't mind me threading in the bolts.
So, how's your day?
Yeah, you know, working on a broken car. Soon to not be broken though. Yeah.
Right. Hey, the shifter's in and working.
Hopefully I have a better Mustang owner experience than Allan.
Oh, literally.
We love you, Allan.
Facts.
We'll be with you in your next purchase. We'll be right there supporting you. Yeah, somebody commented on the last video. They said that Chip stole the show. The cat stole the show. They said that the cat stole the show, so
It's okay, there's a lot of Chip in this video too.
okay, that's good.
We still need to make some bloopers, then we can have a lot of Chip.
Yeah, where is
And a lot of the goofing around.
Buddy, come here. Come here. Buddy. Ew. Let's get him. Ah. We got him. Hi, buddy.
Goodness.
He's purring. Oh.
Whoop. Goodbye. And off we go.
And off we go. Guys, we now have the fan shroud in and the fan. So, yep, props to us, I guess. We got the shifter all hooked up. And the only thing we have left to do is we gotta wire up the shifter. But I don't know if we're gonna do that yet. We have a jerry rigged in the engine bay to start it up.
Where you at?
Guys, I'm hiding inside the car. And they don't know where I'm at. They're so clueless.
Alright, so today we're taking apart this motor. Alright, first we'll take this out. First dipstick. Alright, next up, take apart the motor. Next up, go with that.
Ben, give me your fucking phone.
This is hilarious. He's calling me right now.
Right now we are searching for Justin. Trying to call him. See where he at. His truck's still here, keys are in it. Maybe we'll take the truck out. We don't have a Justin. Where could a Justin be?
You want to go take the truck out?
Here comes Allan back.
You've been in here the whole
Bad word.
time.
Yep.
Oh, I'll let them keep looking.
Okay. Okay, guys. So Allan's already found me. Now we're
The whole time? The whole time.
Yeah. And I've been filming too.
We were literally walking around here.
So you saw the good videos we got?
I saw everything, the starting up of the truck, everything. Okay, now that we're done playing a little bit of hide and go seek, it is time to get the Mustang pulled out of the shop. And if you can see in this video, yeah, I know it's already out of the shop, but forgot to film this part telling you guys that we're taking it out of the shop, so I'm filming it now. Let's get this Mustang out of the shop. The new shifter on, and we got the car all wired up and running good. So yeah, we're about to go to a car show tomorrow morning with it. Okay guys, I got Allan here. We're at Parkland. We drove the Mustang today. The car show went really good. I'll throw a picture up of me standing around my car. So yeah, but that's gonna be it for this video. We're gonna throw some riding clips here real quick, and then yeah, we'll see you on the next one. If you guys enjoyed, please subscribe and like the video, and look forward to our future projects, and of course the more mods tuned, guys. And interior work on the Mustang.
Yep, that and
Yep.